All right, let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to the AutoCAD 2021 overview. My name is Jamie Smith, and I am an AE application specialist here at MicroCAD Training and Consulting. If you'd like to email me any questions or get in touch with me, my email address is right there, jsmith@microcad3d.com. It's going to be my pleasure to go over all of the new features that are part of AutoCAD 2020 with you today. AutoCAD 2021 is packed full of value for subscribers. Here's an overview of what we'll cover in more detail. First, I'd like to talk about the right AutoCAD for you. Now, when you subscribe to AutoCAD 2021, you have access to the right tool set for the job. First, it's all about Secondly, I am excited to talk to you about the AutoCAD web app and the mobile apps that are available to you as a user. These tools give you the freedom and flexibility to work on anything, anywhere, at any time. And lastly, AutoCAD continues to deliver new features, including new automations and enhancements to the existing ones that they already have. So let's get started with number one, your AutoCAD. AutoCAD, including specialized tool sets, enables you to work faster and more efficiently across disciplines. With 7 tool sets, you have the access to include industry-specific features and libraries for architecture, mechanical design, mapping, and more. Over the past 20 years, we have been investing in AutoCAD vertical specialized tool sets to help make AutoCAD as personalized an experience as possible. When you subscribe to AutoCAD 2021, you gain access to all the capabilities of the industry-specific tool sets and libraries. Now, these include mechanical, architecture, electrical, MEP, and more. No matter the design challenge, you'll always have the right tools at hand for whatever you're working on. When you subscribe to AutoCAD, including specialized tool sets, you gain access to features and functionality to help you work faster and more efficiently than ever before. You can design more quickly with industry-specific capabilities, which allow you to access the libraries of symbols, parts, and detail components. You can work faster by automating the creation of annotations, layers, and properties. You can even more efficiently extend workflows across disciplines more effectively as well. And you can do all of this while working in the familiar AutoCAD interface that we all know and love. Now let's take a look at each of the tool sets. Maybe you need a library of standard based parts and tools to create and modify mechanical designs for manufacturing and documenting mechanical designs. The mechanical tool set allows you to speed product design by automating mechanical engineering tasks, such as generating machine components, dimensioning, creating bills of material, and you'll also get access to 700,000 plus intelligent manufacturing parts, features, and symbols. Have you ever wanted to create floor plans, sections, elevations, and other drawings for your building design? With the architecture tool set, you can speed drawing and documentation with building design features. The tool set gives you access to more than 8,000 intelligent architectural objects and styles with features designed specifically for architects. Or maybe you wish you had features tailored to electrical design to create, modify, and document electrical control systems. With the electrical toolset, you can boost productivity and quickly design panel layouts, schematic designs, and other electrical drawings using the library of 65,000 and more intelligent electrical symbols. A lot of different components that you can choose from. You can also incorporate GIS and CAD data to support planning, design, and data management. Access spatial data stored in files, databases, and web services, and aggregate it with your AutoCAD design data. Easily manage your GIS data with standard data schema, automated business workflows, and report templates. Use specialized MEP engineering features with over 10,000 intelligent mechanical, electrical, and plumbing objects to draft, design, and document building systems. Easily design ductwork, electrical conduit, and circuiting for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. Use the Plant 3D toolset to efficiently produce P and IDs and then integrate them into a 3D plant design model using specialized plant design and engineering features. Quickly create schematic diagrams, plant layouts, and other drawings with our 3D plant toolset. Use raster to vector tools and help you edit scanned drawings or convert raster images into DWG objects. Quickly edit, clean up, and transform images, manipulate raster entities such as images, lines, arcs, and circles, create vector shapes similar to lines and polylines, and more with our raster design toolset that's available. So that about wraps up all of the tools more in depthly, the tool sets that we have available. Let's dive into our second pillar here, connected AutoCAD. This will provide you quick and seamless access to your CAD drawings wherever you are on any device. Our apps make it possible to continue to design and draft with the most up-to-date files while you're in the field and on the go. AutoCAD subscriptions include access to the web app and mobile app. These apps enable you to work on any DWG in AutoCAD on any platform. Whether you choose to use AutoCAD for Windows, Mac, web, or mobile device, be it an iPad, iPhone, Android, or Windows device, we have the right AutoCAD for you. You can enjoy a cohesive experience across various platforms. The state-of-the-art AutoCAD web and mobile apps let you design and draft anytime, anywhere, wherever you go. You can have a peace of mind that AutoCAD will be right there for you. With AutoCAD on desktop, web, and mobile, take the power of AutoCAD with you. Be productive on site or on the go with essential tools that let you view, create, and edit CAD drawings on your smartphone. You can also access these on your tablet or your computer. There's no need to bring printed drawings to the job site anymore when you're meeting with your clients. The newest addition to the AutoCAD family of products is the AutoCAD web app that gives you quick access to any of the latest drawings from any computer. The AutoCAD web app runs in your web browser with no software install required. Simply visit web.autocad.com, sign in with your autodesk.com credentials, and start working. With a simplified interface, you get core AutoCAD 2D drafting and commands, so you can quickly get up to speed and be productive with little to no training. Built with the AutoCAD engine, the web app gives you the precision, consistency, and fidelity you've come to expect from AutoCAD. In addition to the web app, the AutoCAD mobile app lets you work anywhere, even offline. Extend your workflows from the office to the job site with the mobile app. The mobile app that has been adapted Many of the functionalities of the desktop AutoCAD tools, as well as mobile-only tools that let you add laser measurements to your drawings and site photos to your plans. When used on devices like the iPad Pro and Windows Surface, the mobile app takes advantage of the high-resolution display and supports the stylus for precise drafting, editing, and annotations. In order to enable better workflows across desktop, web, and mobile, take advantage of the functionality to access DWG files in the Office and beyond. Within the application menu and Save As, you'll see a Drawing to Web and Mobile option. This takes the current drawing you're working with and allows you to access it from the AutoCAD web and mobile apps. Additionally, you'll see in the Open tab the Drawing from Web and Mobile option. This option is a drawing that allows you to view previously accessed drawings in the web or mobile. Easily go from drafting on your desktop to drafting on your AutoCAD web and mobile apps and vice versa. It's completely seamless. To conclude, let's take a look at our third and final pillar, which dives into Smart AutoCAD. And we will take a look at some of the new features and enhancements that have been added to AutoCAD 2021. And these are available to all active subscribers of AutoCAD. Let's start with what we've added to the core functionality for active subscribers in AutoCAD 2021. The new drawing history feature can be a game changer for your workflow, giving you insights to the evolution of your drawings. Subscribers who access a file saved in OneDrive, Dropbox, or Box can easily compare a drawing with previous versions of that drawing. Now, this is similar to the Drawing Compare feature that was released in the last version of AutoCAD 2020. Drawing files saved to OneDrive, Dropbox, and Box will store and maintain the previous versions of drawing files that can now be accessed in the new Drawing Histories palette. In the Drawing History palette, you can choose which version to compare your current drawing to, filtering by date, user, or minimum time between versions. To compare, you can also compare your drawings and it will automatically open the DWG Compare feature, which we just mentioned as part of the last release. And the differences are displayed right in the current drawing. Import changes from your previous version into the current drawing in real time. And to kind of piggyback on the drawing history option, now there's another benefit of subscribing to the latest version of AutoCAD, and you can use the popular DWG Compare feature for external references, or XREFs, which are attached to your drawing. If a reference drawing has changed, a notification will automatically display in AutoCAD. Click on the notification to compare changes with the context of your current drawing. Like DWG Compare, XREF Compare shows you the differences between versions with revision clouds. You can toggle on and off the comparison or scroll through each difference. When you make changes to the current XREF, the differences are highlighted in real time. You can also select the objects from the compared XREF and import them into the current XREF in real time. The Blocks palette feature introduced last release has been improved so that you can access your blocks anytime, anywhere. The Blocks palette now lets you sync recent blocks in a drawing to a cloud storage location and access them from any device, whether it be desktop, web, or mobile. The other drawing tab is now the new Libraries tab, displaying the 5 most recently used block libraries for faster access. You can now specify a folder, drawing file, or any block definition stored in a drawing to insert as a block in the current drawing. Like with previous releases, graphic performance has always been improved with AutoCAD over the years, but it's even better now in AutoCAD 2021. Pan and zoom faster in real time. When panning and zooming in 2D, AutoCAD automatically performs regeneration operations for a faster and smoother experience. 3D orbit, pan, and zoom operations are also more responsive, especially for complex 3D models due to multi-core processors. And we have great news. Here's even more value for active AutoCAD 2021 subscribers. Last year, we announced partnerships with Box, Dropbox, and OneDrive. So if it's a DWG, it opens an AutoCAD web app or any platform of your choice. And this year, we've added Google Drive. As of today, if you already store your files in Google Drive, you'll have streamlined workflows and can take advantage of anytime access to any DWG file with AutoCAD. With the AutoCAD web and mobile apps included with your AutoCAD 2021 subscription, you can take the power of AutoCAD with you and design and draft anytime, anywhere. We're excited to announce that AutoCAD 2021 for Mac and AutoCAD LT 2021 for Mac will be available starting on April 3rd, which is tomorrow. This release includes some of the features that are included with the 2021 Windows version, as well as some Mac-specific features, including a floating command line. The AutoCAD for Mac software is also available in simplified Chinese as well. With your AutoCAD 2021 subscription, you get access to support specialists, the latest updates, flexible term lengths, and administrative tools to easily manage your licenses, seats, and usage. Plus, you can use their software anytime, anywhere. When you subscribe to AutoCAD, including specialized toolsets, you get access to industry-specific functionality. You can speed up your work with specialized functionality and libraries, work anytime, anywhere with the new web and mobile apps, giving you freedom to design and draft on the go, and work smarter with the latest AutoCAD enhancements and performance improvements across desktop, web, and mobile. You can learn more, subscribe, and get free trials from our website at microcad3d.com. And that concludes our presentation on the newest features of AutoCAD 2021. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always here to help you, and we look forward to serving you. Thank you.